qualifying income. What is that? What is qualifying income? We know what income is, that's how much money you make. But the reality is that the mortgage industry has a bunch of guidelines and calculators that we use to look at your income documentation and calculate what we can use to allow you to qualify for the mortgage that you're applying for. Different income types have different calculations. I'm going to do a deep dive over the next couple of weeks on each of these different income types. Right now, I'm just going to do a very quick overview. If you are a W-2 employee with a salary position, no bonus, no commission, no RSU, nothing like that, you don't own any other properties, no self-employment, then probably your qualifying income is pretty darn close to what you make. Might be exactly the same. If your income includes bonus, commission, RSU, any of those variables that change over the months or over the years, then we're going to apply calculators to that income to figure out what we can use. If you are hourly, then how long you've been at your job really makes a difference, because that's also an income type that we need to average. If you just got a new hourly position, it's going to depend on the pay stub if we can use that income and what your previous employment looked like. If you are self-employed, we're going to figure that calculation out. The overview message is that if you tell the government that you did not make money, then the mortgage industry believes you. It's really as simple as that. You do not get to tell the government that you didn't make money and then tell the lending world that, oh wait, those are just deductions, I really did make that money. We're going to be basing our calculations off of those tax returns. That's something to be aware of, especially as we're heading into tax season. Please know that if you have rental properties, that's also on its own calculation. All of these are things that the underwriter is going to be looking at when figuring out your qualifying income. Stay tuned for future videos with a deep dive into each type. Ciao.